unveiling long-awaited new details around its large language model, Gemini.
This is the Humane AI Pen.
GPT-4 Turbo.
The man widely seen as the godfather of artificial intelligence has quit his job at Google, warning of the dangers of AI.
It uses AI to bring AI to AI.
AI photo hoax. It all started with an absolutely sickening pic of Pope Francis.
This thing is learning fast.
It's pretty much everywhere you look.
Do you know why you're here?
Bad luck, I guess.
Sam Bankman Fried, guilty on all 7 counts of fraud and conspiracy.
Now, finance is paying one of the largest corporate penalties.
Everything after clearing the tower was icing on the cake.
Allow me to present you upheavals. We're offering a new service called MetaVerify.
WhatsApp says it will allow users to edit messages for up to 15 minutes after they send them.
Twitter users are waking up to find that little blue bird has flown the coop. Meta's new app, dubbed the Twitter Killer.
Twitterverse Threads, it's on.
When the company that gave us ChatGPT fired its CEO.
Sam Altman is back in charge.
The collapse of Silicon Valley Bank.
Adobe terminating its $20 billion merger with the design software maker Figma.
Amazon planning to cut 10,000 employees.
Microsoft is the latest major tech company to cut costs by slashing jobs.